to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, see all apps and search phone app from here. You will see, click on phone app and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache phone app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click on hold side power button and volume up button. You will see restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if voicemail notification want to go away on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.